The interplay between the subconscious and conscious mind is a profound force that shapes our daily life. The subconscious mind is the cause, while the conscious mind is the effect. We often see only the effects of our thoughts and actions, without fully understanding the deeper workings of our minds. The conscious mind takes the ideas it has and impresses them upon the subconscious, which in turn manifests them in our lives. It's a mysterious process that we may not fully comprehend, but it's one that has a powerful impact on our experiences. By understanding the relationship between our conscious and subconscious minds, we can unlock the keys to a better life and even impact the world around us. What we believe and feed into our subconscious becomes our reality, regardless of the views of the outside world. With this knowledge, we can harness the power of our minds to achieve great things. So, let us not underestimate the power of the subconscious and its impact on our lives. By tapping into the mysteries of the mind and utilizing its full potential, we can manifest our dreams and make a positive impact on the world. If you're ready to unlock the power of your own subconscious mind, be sure to stick around for the rest of this video as we dive deeper into the secrets of manifestation. The power to create truth lies within each of us, as we possess the ability to imagine, feel, and choose the ideas that we entertain. By controlling our thoughts and emotions, we gain control over our subconscious mind, which is the primary force behind the act of creation. In describing the subconscious as the female aspect, Neville Goddard highlights the hidden mechanisms of creation, which reside deep within the subconscious mind. Our mental states and feelings are constantly seeking to manifest themselves in our lives, without requiring any conscious effort on our part. It's important to recognize that we don't need to improve our manifesting skills, as we can only direct our thoughts and emotions. The laws of creation are always at work, shaping our world and our experiences. By understanding and harnessing the power of our subconscious mind, we can take control of our thoughts and emotions and create the reality that we desire. It's through the act of directing our thoughts and emotions towards positive outcomes that we can manifest the life that we truly want. So, let us embrace the power of creation that lies within us and work towards directing our thoughts and emotions towards the life that we truly desire. By doing so, we can create our own truth and shape our own destiny. The power of the law is constantly at work, creating your reality without any conscious effort on your part. It's not about the things themselves, but rather the state of mind that you achieve. Once you can cultivate the desirable feelings and state of mind, the desirable effects will naturally follow. Of course, the intensity of your emotions and feelings will impact the physical reality that you experience. The more intense they are, the more quickly and powerfully your desires will manifest. That's why it's important to focus your efforts on directing your thoughts, emotions, and mental pictures while keeping their intensity in check. Persistence is key, as it may take days or even weeks to achieve the desired state of mind. You should avoid reverting to a victim state of mind, as it signifies that you're no longer in control of your thoughts and emotions. By surrendering to your circumstances, you make them your God, which puts you in a powerless position. Remember that the law is always at work, and by directing your thoughts and emotions, you can create the reality that you desire. With time and practice, you can develop the power to manifest your dreams and shape your own destiny. So, let us embrace the power of the law and work towards cultivating the desirable state of mind that will allow us to create the life that we truly want. If you're not seeing the manifestations you desire, it's likely because you're still focused on the physical reality and trying to fix it. Instead, shift your focus to your mental states and cultivate the feelings you want to experience. Live in those states and make them stronger. Remember, the physical reality is just a reflection of your subconscious, so you don't need to change anything in the external world. To create a better life for yourself, start by taking control of your feelings. we are in control of our lives through our conscious thoughts and feelings. To improve our lives, we must first take control of our feelings and focus on positive, happy thoughts. Second, we must let go of our imperfections, as focusing on our limitations only reinforces them in our subconscious. Finally, we must counteract any negative feelings or thoughts by consciously redirecting our focus to positive, desirable states of being. By taking these steps, we can actively shape our subconscious and manifest a better life for ourselves. The power of positive thinking is a force to be reckoned with, as our thoughts and beliefs have a profound impact on our reality. While it's important to focus on what we want, it's equally important to understand the difference between wanting and being. When we focus on wanting something, we're expressing a desire for it, but we're also acknowledging that we don't yet have it. This can create a sense of lack or need, which can actually impede our ability to manifest what we desire. Instead, we must embrace the feeling of already having what we want and live as though our wishes have already come true. By feeling the joy and gratitude that we would feel if our desires had already been fulfilled, we create a powerful positive vibration that attracts our desires to us. When it comes to expressing our desires, it's also important to use positive statements that reflect what we want, rather than what we don't want. For example, saying "I am healthy" is more powerful than saying "I will be healthy," as the former statement is already filled with the belief of health. By embracing positive thinking and focusing on the feeling of already having what we desire, we can manifest our dreams and live the life that we truly want. It's a powerful practice that can transform our reality and help us achieve our highest potential. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to embrace positive thinking and achieve your highest potential. If you are interested in Neville Goddard's teachings, success stories, and law of assumption concepts, please do check out our other videos in the channel, which might benefit you. Thanks for watching and keep supporting.